Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Linden County in northern Connecticut, Collin County in northern Connecticut, East Central Hartford County in northern Connecticut, South Central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Vernon, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Expect damaged trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Dudley, Willimantic, Tolland, Ashford, Ellington, Union, Woodstock, South Windsor, Andover, Hebron, Chaplin, Thompson, Glastonbury, Putney,